Geography, chapter number 1, that is the Earth in the solar system. From the title only we get two words to study today. First word is our Earth and the second word is solar system. So first of all, let us talk about what we are going to study today. Let us have a look. We are going to study universe, stars, galaxy, Earth, moon, constellations, solar system, comets, asteroids, celestial bodies. So if we start with universe, so universe is huge. Okay, in that stars, constellation, galaxies, all things come. In book there is one important term, that is nebula. On page number 201, this is the picture of the nebula, and it is made up of hot gases and dust. If we talk about stars, so stars are twinkling objects that we see in night, and they are of golden color. We see them, they are very small, but they are very huge. So that's why only the light come to us. That's why we say it is very small. It is as bigger as our Earth. So if we talk about galaxy, so galaxy is made up of hundred and million objects. See, if we talk about our Earth, as I will show you one picture of the Earth. See, you are able to see the picture of the Earth. What are you seeing? That the Earth is somewhere it is light blue, dark blue, green, and that. Our Earth is covered 70% of water. And in your book, page number 204, where the important facts are there of the Earth, here is the picture as you can see. So, if we talk about moon, so first of all, let us study moon. What is moon? Moon is very huge, but it is very small. In the night sky, it looks like this. See, it looks like this in the night sky. So, let us study about the phases of the moon. What are the phases of moon? See, as you all know that first of all, it is a new moon. Then it is a recent moon. Recent moon. Then it is a half moon. Then it is a gibbous moon. And at last it is a full moon. So there are 5 steps total in the phases of the moon. First is new moon, second crescent moon, third half moon, fourth gibbous moon, and the last full moon. So I will tell you one hint. See, if this is a moon, we need to tell that which is crescent and which is gibbous. If the line comes here, it means that it is crescent. If the line comes here, it means that it is gibbous moon. And now our next topic is constellations. So there are many types of constellations like Hunter, Bear, and etc. Like I am showing you the picture of the constellation. See, it is the picture of Orion. See, as you can see that it is a picture of Orion. Now the next, see, it is a zodiacal constellation, as you can see in the picture. Okay, now we are going to talk about our solar system. So What is solar system? First, there were 9 planets in the solar system, but now there are 8 planets because the dwarf planet has been removed from the solar system. It is not a part of the solar system now. Now, see. As you can see here, that first of all, this is Sun, then Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Saturn and Neptune have rings, and this Neptune is very far from the Sun. This is our 4th, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th. Earth is the 3rd planet on which we live. If we talk about our next topic, that is comets. So what are comets? Comets are the shining objects in the sky that are made up of chunks of ice and frozen ice. Asteroids. Asteroids revolve around the sun and they mainly come in between the orbit of Mars and Jupiter. Now our last topic is celestial bodies. So what are celestial bodies? Celestial bodies are the shining objects like sun, moon and etc. Thank you. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.